Good evening, Ashish.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, wish you a warm welcome to our digital meeting, and I am very happy to share that Ashish has successfully completed his first exam, retirement planning and employee benefit, with 66%. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, Ashish, as we know, this is the digital meeting, and objective is to basically interact for another 20 to 25 minutes, and you can share your learning journey, okay, for benefit of your clients as well as the benefit of CFP aspirant. So, I request you can start with your detailed introduction, and then I'll interact for another 20 to 25 minutes.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Ashish Wagmare. I've done my civil engineering from Pullais, Mumbai. Then I was during my engineering days, I was always fascinated with the stock market. So I wanted to learn more about it, learn more about finance. So I joined BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, and I did GFMP, Global Financial Marketing Professional. So I did that, and after that, I was more curious about the finance field, and I came to know about Keur sir, and I wanted to do CFP, and so I joined with him, and I just finished my first exam.
Good, very good.
And I finished it with 66%.
Good, very good. So, as you have completed your civil engineering and then 1 year course with BSc, okay, so what was the inspiration for doing a CFP certification?
Sir, after doing a course with BSc, I ventured into stockbroking.
Okay.
So I learned, I did intern with a stockbroker in Vashi.
Okay.
And then I started my own franchisee of Motilal Oswal with my friends. And while working with everyone, with the clients, I got to know that everyone just sells tips, or we just give false hopes, or like we were mostly mis-selling was happening. And to serve our clients better, we had to be skilled, or we had to have the knowledge to serve them better. So for that, to enhance my knowledge, I joined the CFP.
Okay, good, very good. So हमें पता है कि आज की डेट में बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विस सेक्टर, जिसमें एक व्यक्ति बैंक में काम करता है एज रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर, या शेयर ब्रोकर के वहां पे काम करता है एज ए रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर, ओके, तो नॉर्मली कहीं ना कहीं रेवेन्यू पे फोकस होता है, शॉर्ट टर्म फोकस होता है, और उसमें हम क्लाइंट को बेनिफिट देने की जगह पे हम ज्यादा नुकसान कर देते हैं, ओके। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे एक अच्छा नॉलेज एंड स्किल सेट चाहिए, उसके बाद ही मैं क्लाइंट को अच्छी क्वालिटी एडवाइस दे सकता हूँ। तो उसके बाद जब आपने सीएपी सर्टिफिकेशन डिसाइड किया, तो आपके पास दो ऑप्शन थे, एक आप सेल्फ स्टडी में कर सकते थे, या कोई लो कॉस्ट एजुकेशन प्रोवाइडर है उसे आप कर सकते थे, बट आपने केयूषा डिसाइड किया, जहाँ पे मैंने आपको 3x टाइम जनवरी में जब हम फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे मुंबई में, एंड 3x मनी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी, तो क्यों आपने 3x टाइम और 3x मनी इन्वेस्ट करना डिसाइड किया instead of going with the low cost education partner, or maybe into a self study option?
Before joining with you, I checked, I took about 2 months of time before joining with you. I went to other institutes, I checked their curriculum. I basically talked to 2 institutes before joining your institute.
Okay.
And it was they were okay, but with you I got to understand it is not about just the certificate. It is more about how we take it to another level, to how we become a perfect financial planner. The other were just giving the exam point of view, say they were doing it. But with you, I understood it is more about the how a certified planner should be.
Okay.
How the ethics and how we should follow everything with spirit and everything. So that's why I joined with you, sir.
Good, very good. So you started your journey in month of January, and today you have completed your first examination. We understand last 4 5 months was the lockdown, so you could not go for the examination. Okay, and I expect that by March 2021 you will complete your certification journey. So may I know what are your 4 5 key learning as a individual? आपकी खुद की क्या की लर्निंग रही जो आपकी एक लाइफ को एक ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया, या आपको लगता है कि ये एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लर्निंग है आपके लिए?
Sir, first and foremost it is ki we should always plan for our future, like,
Okay.
and we should always think long term.
Okay.
Short term benefits are just, they don't last so much. So we should always plan for a longer spans of time, longer horizons, and we should have everything planned. So that was my big key learning, and is what I also implemented on my own financial plan, sir.
Okay, very good. तो मैसेज बहुत लाउड एंड क्लियर है कि इफ यू डोंट हैव अ रोड मैप or plan in a place, how you will do a successful journey and how you will achieve your life goal. And we have come across the Corona-19. Okay, so we have realized that those who are having a qualitative financial planning in place, they basically less impacted. Okay, but those who were not having the proper financial planning in place, they were living on a high debt expenses or high loan payments, and they found difficult. And today those who are in a good financial planning, they are able to basically one step ahead of others, those who have not proper planning. Good. So दूसरी क्या की learning रही आपकी?
Sir, one more thing, it was like we should always from this I understood this thing, we should focus more on learnings and not on just making money. And it like short term, even I was focusing on money and was not studying and not putting my time and effort in CFP much. But after understanding the importance of CFP, I understood it is not about the short term money I'll make, but the long term it will help me in my life. So
okay,
that was, yes.
Good, very good. So as I always focus on the practical applications, so may I know that how many practical application you did and what is the feedback of your clients?
Sir, I have done about 40 to 45 practical applications.
Okay.
And I have converted 7 to 8 of them. Others were like due to Corona, they are not able to spare some money, or they were the new they had started earning recently, so they were like, let me spend my money first and let me enjoy for a while and then I'll start. Like they were
okay.
But those who understand, they are like they have started and they are doing very good. They are still, we have worked on it and they are very happy with it.
And good, very good. So I am very
yes.
So I am very happy to share that now Ashish is equipped to prepare a comprehensive financial plan for the family, and he has prepared the almost 10 plus plan, and right now he has prepared the one sample plan, so which Ashish is going to explain for the benefit of his investors. So how Ashish can help you to prepare your personal roadmap of financial life. So I'm sharing right now. You can explain it.
So this plan is of a Kumar family. They are a family of 4. So we have prepared a retirement plan, children higher education plan, insurance plan, and we have done their vacation planning.
Okay.
In the retirement plan, They are earning like 1 lakh rupees per month, their monthly income. So they wanted to replace that amount of money in their old age. So
Hmm.
we did a we did a we assumed inflation of 6%, and retirement age is supposedly taken 60.
Hmm.
So the 1 lakh rupees after 29 years at age of 60 will be 5,41,838 due to inflation.
Hmm.
So the purchasing power of 5,41,000 will be equivalent to 1 lakh rupees on today's cost.
Okay.
So 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 the client will require on calculating the everything, we get to know that the client will require almost 13.2 crores retirement corpus.
Okay.
So that is, yes, so they have received a 15 lakh policy maturity. So we
Hmm.
have assumed that they will we have put 5 lakh in their retirement plan.
Okay.
So that will, yes, so that will be like in a that is put in a hy- a growth fund. So hybrid fund, it is a basically hybrid fund we have put in.
Hmm.
So that is it, we have assumed it to be 10% of growth. So it will be around 87 lakhs 24,000.
Okay.
And the client was also you has a PPF account for which we can use for retirement. So they
Okay.
have around 9.61 lakhs in the retirement PPF fund. So
Hmm.
that will be around 3.61 crores if we put 1.5 lakhs every year
Hmm.
till they are 60. So that will be around 3.61 crores. So
Okay.
the shortfall, so they will require amount of 9.61 crores.
Hmm.
So by using the strategies and all, asset allocation and rebalancing strategies, they will require around 54,000 rupees of SIP per month.
Okay. Good. Very good.
Yes. So
Even if
they are
even client cannot afford, we can afford the increasing SIP, and we can reduce this amount further to even 30,000 rupees. So client can start with
yes, yes,
30,000 and increase the fixed percentage, example 10% per annum in advanced asset location and rebalance strategy, and he'll be able to achieve the corpus of 9 crore 61 lakh rupees. Okay, and whatever he has lump sum amount, by adding all these things, client can achieve a goal of 13 crore 22 lakh rupees. Good, very good,
yes, sir.
excellent.
So they have two kids.
Hmm.
They are just 3 years and three. The other is just 3 months.
Okay.
So by using the children higher education plan, I have also included their marriage cost in this one.
Okay.
So basically it is planning till they are married.
Hmm.
So they will since they are 16, from their higher education 10th, from 10th to university, and then their marriage cost, everything is
Okay.
included in this one. So taking all the things in consideration, we have 13 years for uh, other the older kid who is 3. We
Hmm.
have 13 years to plan for his uh, education and life education plan. So they had planned to put 2 lakhs of they planned to earmark 2 lakh rupees for his education. And by taking by 2 lakh will be equal to 7.76 lakhs. So with um, after investing in for 13 years, and the SIP required will be 13,000 for
Okay.
him. yeah, and for which will include everything from his education to his marriage, to
Okay.
his university studies and all. And for the smaller, younger kid, it will
Hmm.
be it will be around 8,300,
Hmm.
8,300 rupees. So that is around, so so they are spending, they are investing 20,000, 13,000 for elder kid and 8,000 for the older kid, younger kid, and they will,
Yeah, you continue. I
and
just put in the news
yes,
photo.
yes, and they will step up the SIP in 3 years of time. So
Okay.
if time need, if need it need be, uh, and they have done this for now, and if needed they will step up the SIP after the after checking after a while, after a year or so. And we did a insurance planning for them.
Okay.
Insurance planning, yes, insurance is they salary is like 1 lakh per month,
Okay.
and they are doing business, they are from a business family, so
Hmm.
they need they have a higher lifestyle, so they need, so they need around 3.47 crores of term plan to
Okay.
maintain their whole life, uh, uh, for with this kind of salary they have. So and the client has only 50 lakhs of term insurance right now. So we have suggested to top up the term plan with 3 crores, and they have done it for now.
Good. Very good.
They have, yes, they have done it for 1.5 crores now, and they are planning to top up in after a while, once again for complete 3 crores. And same goes to the mother also, like the the father has 3 crores, and the mother is also is also advised to increase her term plan by 1.25 crores.
Okay. Good. Very good.
And so the last we have done is vacation planning. So the vacation planning is, the average vacation cost is 2.5 lakhs for them.
Okay.
So yeah, and they basically go for a vacation every year, but due to they have now kids and all, they have started, they thought, let's plan for 3 years, three for from 3 years gap, and after 4 years, once the kids are older and able to travel and all,
Okay.
so we have earmarked around 4 lakh rupees of funds towards vacation. And the vacation cost for this type of plan, we have the net present value of
Okay.
18.46 lakh. So the SIP required is 21,550 per month. So
Good.
they are,
Very good. Excellent.
yes, they are, yes sir,
Yeah, you are completing. Please complete it.
yes sir, so they are uh, uh, putting their money 21,500 in their uh, vacation planning, and they are going to top up, like they are stepping it up 7% per annum. They will do it as and when required, and hope they will have a wonderful vacation.
Good. Very good. Excellent. So message is
Yes,
that here Ashish has prepared the comprehensive financial plan as per the client needs. Okay, so we know that when there is a family is there, so family has a two kind of basically requirement. One is the certain requirement like children higher education, marriage, retirement, vacation. There are uncertain requirement like we need to plan for the contingency fund, we need to plan for the health insurance plan. So when you have basically prepared your comprehensive financial plan, and you understood the logic and the basis of how much inflation adjusted corpus required. Okay, today we may think that the client requires 13 crore rupees corpus is very high, but if client start investing regular per month and increase his SIP for a longer period of time, definitely client can easily achieve a 10 crore plus corpus in next 20 to 25 years. And when client is aware, that okay, this is my need and I have to plan it, they can basically stick to the goal, and it would be a win-win situation for the financial planner and as well as investor. Okay, so good, very good. Congratulations. You are in right direction, and I request you can continue your basically momentum, so you can not only complete the CFP certification but also basically build your brand in Nagpur as a one of the trusted and respected independent financial planner. Okay, so now as you have started your journey in January, and right now you are going to complete your you completed first exam, and by March you will complete your certification. So now, Ashish, if you have to share your one or two important mistake as a CFP aspirant, okay, so which mistake can be avoided by the new aspirants, those who are planning to complete his certification next year?
Yes, sir. So my biggest mistake was um, due to exam, due to Corona and the exams were not conducting. I had lost momentum in between for a while,
Okay.
so I was not giving as much time that was required for studies.
Okay.
So that was my one mistake I made, and the other, we should go for the that pattern. I did not follow the exam pattern, so the exam based strategy. So
Perfect. Perfect.
that because of that I had to face a failure. Yeah, and now by after following everything, I have successfully completed it with 66%. So I'm very much sure that the strategy works very well, and I need to just follow your guidance, follow your instructions, and it will be very good. My results will be good.
Good, very good. So message is loud and clear. Key from day one, when anyone enroll with me, I say that key you need to basically invest your quality time 3 to 4 hours per day for 12 to 15 month period. Definitely, I understand as a human being, as a professional or personal reason, we may lose the momentum. But if you lose the momentum, then you have a less chance of completing the certification and becoming a less chance of becoming a domain expert as a financial planner. Okay, so that was the one thing. And second is again he said that he could not apply the exam strategy which I have discussed during the video lectures or with in the one-to-one discussion. So no problem. So I'm sure that we are going to go ahead. So now Ashish, as you have already completed one exam, I have asked you to be you are right now volunteer co-mentor with two participants, one with Vishal and
Yes,
second yesterday I added with Raman Sharma. Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
now
sir.
Basically how you feel that as a co-mentor, how you can, because we have a concept of co-mentor where any senior participant, once he or she completes the first exam, basically we give opportunity to work as a volunteer co-mentor. So how you can add value for the participant, also new participant, as well as for yourself?
With Ramanji, will help him, and with the mistakes I have made, I will guide them. These are the mistakes that I did and you should not do, and I will tell them what I went through and how the exams, what happens in exams, and how you should prepare for it to get best grades you can. So I will help them with my best of my abilities, sir.
Good, very good. So I am looking forward your role as a volunteer co-mentor or later on as a co-mentor. So it gives you a two benefit to the senior participant. One, it help them. It is going to help to Ashish to revisit his basically learning journey. Okay, so it will help to revisit the subject knowledge or the practical knowledge. Okay, and second, when you discuss with your junior participant or new participant, okay, it also help you to improve your communication skill, presentation skill, because in life we require both domain expertise. One is the subject matter
Yes.
domain expertise of personal finance, as well as we need to learn how we can simply communicate our knowledge and skill set with other person, so they can learn and basically buy our thoughts. So whether it can be an investor also, it helps us to do a better financial planning to the investors. Okay,
Yes.
so good, very good. So now, what are your future plans? So by when you like to complete your certification, and after certification, what are your future plans?
My future plans right now are to finish my CFP certification by March 21,
Okay.
and then I would like to continue my work and do my stockbroking. I have taken a break now from stockbroking for
Hmm.
to complete my certification. So I'll get back to the broking for business, and I'll help my clients and not in broking, but I'll make their financial plan and do better job for them and for them, rather than doing making them do day trading and
Hmm.
small short term trading. I will always advise to make a sane form financial decision and do a better investing rather than doing trading. Yeah.
Good, very good. So it is very important that when you are educated financial planner, or you are educated advisor, so you will help your client to pass on that education or financial coaching. So that's how your client will prepare his financial plan first, or you will help your client to prepare his financial plan. And once client prepare the financial plan, he'll be able to invest according to his goals, whether short-term goal he can invest into a debt product, or long-term goal he can invest into partly into direct equity or equity mutual fund and debt product also. So our objective is to basically help client to achieve his life goal with moderate risk and achieving the moderate positive return. Okay, and today we know that 9 out of 10 clients, those who are doing a short-term trading, okay, whether it is called intraday FNO or short-term trading, they end up with losing their precious time as well as capital also. So if you can educate them that you can keep some small amount for your intraday FNO, but bigger amount, 80% amount, you put it into a systematic investment. Na? So systematic
Yes.
investment through a debt mutual fund or equity mutual fund. So that's how they are managed with the professionals. So you need not to worry about the capital loss in the long term. Okay, so that's how you can build a good AUM in mutual fund also, as well as they can also continue small amount, and over time they will realize that it is always better to go with the professional instead of doing a short-term trading. So, what is your last one message? Those who are specifically young share broker, okay, specifically in your age group, you are 25, but many have started the some independent distribution business in financial career, and those who are in age of 20 to 35, whether they are mutual fund distributor, insurance agent, yeah, share broker. So, what is the one message you would like to give right now?
So one message, sir, it is like we should not do mis-selling. Like in the financial industry, there is lots of mis-selling.
Hmm.
So we to make easy money, we just sell whatever is product we have, and we just
Okay.
many many people, many
Hmm.
agents, many brokers, many RMs just sell product which is unsuitable to the client. So
Hmm.
that is the one thing that should not be done.
Hmm.
And they should be all like many, I would say they should be highly skilled, or they should have the knowledge to at least advise the client right,
Hmm.
by just giving one exam, the easy exams. By giving exams, they become advisors, but it is not up to the mark to handle people's money. So they should always give proper advice to the clients, and it should help the client, not just them, not be good for them, not for their pockets. It should
Okay,
be
I
good for the
understand.
clients.
So, if I
Yeah.
summarize what Ashish has discussed, any share broker or mutual fund distributor, insurance agent who are watching this video, so it is very important that if you are highly educated, then you will be able to pass on that education. Otherwise, chances that if you are distributor and if you have passed this basic examination, okay, to start the distribution or continue distribution, definitely you are end up with the you can say unknowingly or knowingly a non-suitable product selling, because end of the day when you do this way you will earn your commission income, distribution income, and chances that in short term you will be happy because you feel that okay, your friend, colleague, relative are buying because they have a trust with you. But when they have end up with the capital loss partly or they got a poor return, they start basically not going with you. They will not retain they will not basically like to continue with you, and you may have to exit from the industry. So today almost
Yes.
80% of the independent agents, those who join within the 5 years, they basically wind up their business and basically go for the some other profession. Why? Because of they have entry barrier is lower to become a distributor agent, share broker. So anyone who has a 12 plus education can become a distributor agent. Okay, but within the 5 years they realize that yes, because of lack of high quality of education, okay, they are not able to provide a quality advisory or education to client, and that's how in short term both enjoyed. Client also had a short term profit, maybe distributor has a short term profit, but in long term both have lost partly or fully their capital, especially into intraday and F&O trading. So I can tell you honestly, if you Ashish, if you can help 100 people to over a period of time leave the intraday F&O or short term trading activity, you are basically helping with the like someone has a habit of smoking or liquor, and if someone help them to rehabilitate to a normal person, it is a great job. Okay, so even if
Yes.
you help 100 200 people, 500 people, you are doing a basically a novel profession, and by doing this way they will also benefited with systematic investment through mutual funds, as well as you will benefited to provide a high quality advisory, and earning both will earn and both will grow in their professional career. Good, very good. So what is your one final message to your investor? आप अपने client को क्या देना चाहते हैं message?
So the one thing that is like, it will be invest with a purpose in mind, right? Invest
Okay.
with a plan, and not just investing and taking out money whenever we want, but invest with the proper plannings for everything. And one will be like, and do when you have done a financial plan, stick to it. It is not key we came across a emergency and we took out the money. That should not happen. If we have made a fund for marriage purpose, we are supposed to we should stick to it, and we should not take out the money and on in emergency situations. So that is one thing. And think long term. That is the only
Good.
that's the last thing I can say. Yes.
So whatever you have communicated, one is about prepare your financial plan. Second, think long term. Everything requires the education. Okay, if today you have come across through the this learning with help of the your CFP education. So your client has a two option example. Your client or IFA, whatever. So first, they have to be a logical and wise investor either through going with this proper CFP coaching journey. In case if you do not have that kind of time and money investment thought process, then you appoint a qualified and experienced certified financial planner like Ashish or anyone who has that kind of thought process, so he can prepare the financial plan and invest his 30 to 40 hours time in 1 year period So it is called a financial education, financial coaching to you, and that's how you will be able to transform yourself from the short-term mindset to a long-term mindset, transform yourself to a committing for the your SIP investment regularly for your goals. So you basically achieve your life goal, which is the you have planned, for example, your retirement, vacation, children education, as well as you have planned for the contingency or maybe your health and life insurance. So I thank you very much, Ashish, for joining with us today on a digital meeting, and I'm sure that this meeting, once we live record and once we'll upload on our YouTube channel and you will share with your friend, colleague, relative, so it will help you to prepare more number of quality financial plan for your existing client or potential clients. And same time, any share broker, distributor, mutual fund distributor, or insurance agent, whether you are working in corporate or independent, if you thinking that okay, you like to learn the certification training, CFP certification training with KU Shah, and you can appoint Ashish also as a your co-mentor in your journey. Okay, and we will prepare a comprehensive plan for yourself. So in a 12 to 15 month period, you can transform your personal life and professional career. So that's how you can also achieve the goal of CFP certification in 2021 by December. Okay, because right now we are in October, so we expect 12 to 13 months. So by end of the March, December 2021, you can complete the certification goal. So thank you very much, Ashish, for sharing your all journey.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.